Welcome back, everybody! This is Kyvan282 with another video. And yes, I am playing Minecraft. But only for the one time. But if you want to see more, well then hit me up in the comment section down below saying you want to see more. I will play more, but right now I'm mostly focusing on Blazing. I am not recording Blazing because of one reason. On Global, the update is coming out. That is right. Oh, it's kind of laggy. Alright. That is right. The Nagato update is coming out on Blazing. It's about to be hype. Alright? Like, come on now. I'm gonna do a bit of build battle since it's kind of relaxing. But, anyways, it is, okay, alright, it's, okay, pretty laggy. Anyways, we are global players getting an update. I can't wait because Nagato banner is coming out. I'm gonna summon for you guys. It's about to be litty. Alright? It's about to be real litty. So, basically, yeah, I'm just here playing Minecraft because I want to explain something. Like, okay, so, sorry about the lag, guys. It's just, I should probably close my tabs on my computer. But I'm not gonna do that right now. Besides the fact, Nagato is coming out on Blaze, Global. It's already out on JP. And I just want to talk about that topic with you guys. Because I know most of you guys are probably thinking more on the I'm not gonna summon because he's a 3 to 6 character. But if you look at his PvP stats, go on Nordax and go on his PvP stats, damn man. What should I do? Let's do I don't know, okay. Magician. So, his PvP stats, he's got 50,000 health. I've never seen a character that with that much health. And I'm pretty sure it's 223 speed. Movement speed, which is pretty cool, not gonna lie, this man's pretty much a beast. Of course that's max build. Max, speed build. I don't know, okay. So, definitely go summon on this banner because I'm not sure yet, like, if this is gonna be, like, the banner before Sage 6 Pack Madara. If it is, then I'm about to be kind of mad because we all would be summoning on this banner. But that's, I mean, Tsunade's coming out. We'll be able to farm her. So we can get pearls to summon at least once on the Madara banner. But I'm pretty sure they're not gonna make it so, like one good banner comes after another, because that's never happened in Blazing before. Besides the Hashirama and besides Hashirama and Madara, like that was pretty damn good. Especially and also the Sasuke and Naruto, the 6-pack. But besides the fact, this man, Nagato, 3-6 chakra, he is a beast out on the field. Like, especially in PvP. And you can use them for Ninja Road, which probably be the best. And Phantom Castle, which also would be probably really good to use them. I mean, I would use them against the Tsunade raid. Or, yeah, that'd probably be what my friend just uploaded. Sorry about that. Yeah, no, that's what I'm gonna be doing. Mostly PvP, Phantom Castle, Ninja Road. Sorry, yeah. Definitely. That's what I'm gonna be doing. Like, no. I'm not gonna do anything else but do that. Like, Blazing is my life right now. Like, come on now, guys. You can't deny that. Blazing is bae. What did I do? Yeah, so Blazing is pretty lit right now. Because the Nagato and the Tsunade. Tsunade is probably arguably the best free-to-play unit in the game right now. That's my opinion, at least. I mean, against CM2 Sasuke, pretty good. I don't know. I hope CM2 Sasuke raid comes out again, because like all the Sound Ninja 4, Sound Ninja 5, whatever you want to call them, Sound Ninja 5 came out. So I'm hoping that Sasuke, right, he will get a reappearance in the anime. Which if he does, I mean in the game. So if he does, then it's about to be super lit. Super lit. Super lit. Alright, sorry about that. That's just good. Alright, super lit. Like, yeah, that's all I want to talk about. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Remember to summon on that Nagato banner. See you later.